In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a LeadPages survey funnel in just a few easy steps, and we'll go over some powerful alternatives that could actually work better for your goals, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. Let's dive right in. First, when you're in your LeadPages account, create a new landing page. Choose from one of their survey templates. You'll see options that allow you to quickly get started with a funnel designed to capture valuable leads, and this is where the magic happens. Now, the next thing is to set up your survey questions. LeadPages makes this simple. You can customize the questions to gather information about your lead's interests or preferences. When you set it up, try to keep your questions short and targeted. You don't want to overwhelm your audience or give them too many options that can make the survey feel like a chore. The fourth thing is integrating your email marketing platform. This is where LeadPages truly shines. By connecting it to tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign, you can automatically send follow-up emails to your survey respondents. This is essential for nurturing leads and moving them through your funnel efficiently. Next, let's talk about the survey thank you page. This is a crucial step. After completing the survey, you want to send people to a page that either confirms their responses or presents them with an upsell or call to action. LeadPages makes it easy to customize this thank you page and direct your leads to the next step, which might be a special offer or valuable resource. After that, it's time to set up your conversion goals. You'll want to track how many people complete your survey and then take action after that. LeadPages has built-in analytics to give you insights into how your funnel is performing. But remember, data is only useful if you know how to use it. Make sure you're testing different variations of your survey questions and thank you page to improve conversions over time. Now, here's where things get interesting. While LeadPages is a great tool, there are some alternatives out there that might suit your needs better, especially if you're aiming for more advanced features or deeper integration with your existing tools. I'll get to those in just a moment. But before I give you those alternatives, let me share a little secret. We've arranged an exclusive extended free trial for LeadPages through the link below. It's a special deal for our viewers, and it gives you full access to the platform so you can build your survey funnel without any rush. But, and here's the kicker, stick around to find out which alternatives might give you even more flexibility, and why they might be a better fit for your survey funnel strategy. So, to wrap up, LeadPages can definitely help you get started quickly, but if you're looking for something more customizable or feature-rich, be sure to check out the tools we mentioned in this video. Through the link in the description, you'll not only get access to the best free trial of LeadPages, but also discover some alternatives that could better align with your business goals.